Solar generators can continuously power devices and appliances while being charged and used. This is especially helpful for those who need to keep medicine refrigerated or rely on medical equipment. No fuel? No problem. A portable solar generator can be charged using solar panels, an electrical outlet, or by car battery. Fuel generators run on gasoline, diesel, or propane. The length of time they can power a given device varies depending on the size, power load, and tank capacity of the generator, but they cannot run continuously and they will need to be refueled. Finding fuel after an extreme weather event can be difficult, but storing it at home poses challenges too. Gasoline will deteriorate and lose its combustibility in 3 to 5 months, even in a sealed container. Fuel generators are noisy and emit toxic fumes, so they must be outside in a well-ventilated area while being used. They also require maintenance and are susceptible to fuel, coolant, and oil leaks. Without proper maintenance, they can overheat, seize up, and potentially catch fire. In contrast, solar generators are quiet, low maintenance, and can be used indoors while they're charging. In this video, we use the Bluetti AC200 for demonstration purposes, but there are many brands of solar power generators. We're not endorsing any specific brand and recommend viewers research all options before purchase. Visit our website for more information.